Hi, and welcome to Story Fluent. Hey, are you learning English? Great. Let's learn English with a very interesting story. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Today, we're going to learn about our Elon Musk, one of the most famous and innovative people in the world. He's known for his work in technology, space exploration, and clean energy. But how did he achieve so much? Let's find out. Elon Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. As a child, he was very curious and loved reading books. He was especially interested in science fiction, computers, and space. He taught himself how to program computers, which is like giving instructions to a machine. School wasn't always easy for Elon. He was very smart, but didn't fit in with other kids. He often felt lonely and faced bullies. Despite these challenges, Elon dreamed of a better future. He wanted to leave South Africa and explore the world. At 17, Elon made a big decision. He left South Africa and moved to Diao, Canada. There, he studied at a university and learned about science and business. Later, he moved to the United States to study at the University of Pennsylvania. Elon earned degrees in half economics and physics. He was a brilliant student, but he didn't stay in school for long. He had big ideas and wanted to start his own companies. He believed in taking risks and making his dreams come true. Elon's first company was Zip2, which he started with his brother Kimball. Zip2 created online city guides for businesses. It was a new idea in the 1990s, when the internet was just starting. They worked hard, often struggling to pay bills, but their hard work paid off. In 1999, a big company bought Zip2 for millions of dollars. Next, Elon started X.com, an online payment company. Later, X.com became *PayPal, which changed how people send money online. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for even more money. Elon was now a millionaire, but he wasn't done yet. With his new wealth, Elon started SpaceX in 2002. His dream was to make space travel cheaper and eventually colonize Mars. The journey wasn't easy. SpaceX's first rockets failed, and many people doubted him. But Elon didn't give up. In 2008, SpaceX successfully launched the Falcon 1 rocket. This was a turning point. Today, SpaceX works with NASA and dreams of sending humans to Mars. Elon also wanted to change the world of cars. In 2004, he invested in our Tesla Motors, a company making electric cars. Tesla's first car, the D-Roadster Haas, was fast and expensive. Later, they made more affordable cars like the Model S and Model 3. Elon's goal was to make electric cars popular and help the world use less oil. Today, Tesla is a leader in clean energy. Elon didn't stop at SpaceX and Tesla. He started Yizo Solar City to make solar panels for homes. He also founded Neuralink, which works on connecting brains to computers, and The Boring Company, which builds tunnels to reduce traffic. Elon's companies show his passion for solving big problems. He wants to use technology to make the world a better place. Elon's success didn't come easily. He took big risks, worked hard, and never gave up. He invested his own money into SpaceX and Tesla when they were struggling. He believes in thinking big and solving important problems. Elon once said, "If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough." His persistence and vision have made him one of the most influential people in the world. Elon's life isn't just about work. He's been married several times and has many children. He tries to balance his busy work life with family time, but it's not easy. He's also very active on social media, where he shares his ideas and sometimes gets into arguments. Despite his fame and wealth, Elon remains focused on his goals. He wants to change the world and inspire others to dream big. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great English learning videos. See you next time.